Dear students, today I am going to discuss subject microprocessors and microcontrollers. I am following syllabus from KTU Computer Science branch. And in this video series, I am going to discuss topics evolution of in the chapter 1 I am discussing evolution of microprocessors, architecture, memory organization, minimum and maximum mode, minimum mode timing diagram, and comparison of 8086 and 8088. And if you see the question paper, you get more questions from these topics, mostly from 9 marks and 3 marks questions. So let's discuss each topic one by one. First I will discuss about evolution of microprocessors. So let's discuss the evolution of 8086 microprocessor. Evolution of 8086 microprocessor can be discussed with Moore's law. Moore's was one of the founder of Intel company. Intel is the main company who produces microprocessors. So Intel, in this graph, in x-axis we are showing the years, and in y-axis we are showing the number of transistors. So Moore's predicted that every 2 years the number of transistors integrated in a microprocessor is doubling. So you know the microprocessors are made of digital circuits, and these digital circuits are made with transistors. And if you are able to integrate more number of transistors, and you can get a more sophisticated task done by microprocessor. So if you see, Intel first microprocessor was Intel 4004, and it was having only 2900 transistors integrated in it, and it was only 4-bit microprocessor. And after around 1970, Intel made a popular microprocessor 8085 microprocessor, and it was 8-bit microprocessor, and Intel was able to integrate 6500 transistors in it. In 1975, 8086 microprocessor was made by Intel, and it was integrated 29,000 transistors in it. Intel was able to bring multiplication and division instructions in 8086, but in 8085 this was absent. So if the number of transistors integrated in a circuit is increasing, its ability to do different tasks also increasing. Then it came 80286, 386, 80486, then microprocessors. Then Pentium had changed the naming scenario. They changed it to Pentium to Pentium 4 in that way, maybe for the marketing strategy. After some, you can see the curve of Moore's law. Actually, the main real curve is deviating from the Moore's law. That means because of the limitation in shrinking the transistors, the number of transistors integrated in the same core is not it is not able to integrate like Moore's prediction nowadays. So they started making multiple core processors like i3, i5, which i5 have more number of cores, like 5 cores. So 5 cores means it is like 5 processors working together. So you can understand what will be the speed. It will be very high. So nowadays you have like 32-bit processors and 64-bit processors. It was started with Intel 4004 with the 4-bit, and if you see the evolution, after 8086 it is all 80286, 80386, 80486. So it is almost following 86 architecture. So now also you can see processors which follows x86 architecture. So that's why we are discussing 8086 microprocessor in detail. Thank you.